Hello everyone. So my day started by reaching college and college पहुंचते ही एक ट्रू कट बायोप्सी हो रहा था which is basically from the lymph node and you can see that first the area is anesthetized and after which there's a true cut gun with the help of which we take the biopsy material, after which it is actually put in formalin in a small vial. As you can see, the material, the biopsy is visible here. So after which I had my crossing basically. So as you can see, this is an endometrium which is having a friable mass, or probably an endometrial carcinoma or something like that. So then you can see that there is a long kind of a colon specimen. This is basically not exactly colon, but even the ileum portion is also there. So this is a specimen of Crohn's disease. Basically, you know that there is skip lesions in Crohn's, because of which such a lengthy portion of the gut is basically cut and sent for histopathological examination. ऐसे स्पेसिमेंट्स जब आते हैं तब दुख तो बहुत होता है. मतलब आई डोंट लाइक टू सी दिस काइंड ऑफ स्पेसिमेंट्स, बट क्या ही कर सकते हैं. आई मीन दिस सी दैट लाइफ इज़ सो अनफेयर टू सम पीपल, है ना. तो मतलब जितना हमारे पास है उसी से हम लोगों को खुश रहना चाहिए यार. यू कैन सी दैट वेन एवर यू आर देयर इन द हॉस्पिटल यू रियलाइज दिस एवरी मोमेंट. एनीवे, तो उसके बाद मेरा क्लास था, अंडर ग्रेजुएट का क्लास लेना था मुझे. तो आई हैड टू टीच टू स्पेसिमेंट्स टुडे, विच इज़ वन ऑफ द स्टमक एंड द अदर इज़ ऑफ द कोलोरेक्टल कार्सिनोमा एंड गैस्ट्रिक कार्सिनोमा basically. After that we started to see slides, because this is the main part of the work that we do. And whenever some interesting slides comes into picture, तो सारे ही हमारे बैचमेट जो एक साथ में हम लोग माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर में दिखने की कोशिश करते हैं और डिस्कस करने की कोशिश करते हैं, क्योंकि एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है तो मतलब सबका फिर इंटरेस्ट बन जाएगा उसी से. सो दिस वॉज द सेशन वे वी वर एक्चुअली कंटिन्यूअसली सीइंग स्लाइड्स, एंड दिस इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट वी डू एवरी डे, that is this extensive screening sessions, but today was one such day. And when you see microscope for a long time, literally the brain and the mind, the eyes get tired. So that is why that end of the day the productivity decreases. For me this happens. So you can see this is the CAP protocol, which is the reporting done for cancers. Anyway, so after which I returned home and I again treated myself with some nice good snacks, after which I went to bed to sleep, because today I'm going to have an extensive session at night, क्योंकि सुबह मैं पढ़ नहीं पाई, कॉलेज में मैं पढ़ नहीं पाई, इतना काम था. And finally after having dinner I sat to study at 8:45 p.m. for the first session of the day. And this session is going to be long today and I'm going to try and pull it off till the early morning. तो मैं थोड़ा बहुत मेडिटेट कर लिया, प्रणाम भी कर लिया, क्योंकि आज एक लंबा सेशन होने वाला है. और मुझे जब लंबा सेशन मैं करती हूँ देन आई काइंड ऑफ गेट माई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन एंड माई सेल्फ बैक टुगेदर, बिकॉज आई नो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी एक्सॉस्टिव. तो you can see that today I am watching the videos of medicine from the chapter of GIT, or the liver, specifically liver and the other associated chapters. तो अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि क्यों मैं एक पैथोलॉजी PGT होकर मैरो की वीडियोस देख रही हूँ, तो मैं आपको बता दूँ कि पहले भी मैंने ये बताया हुआ है कि मेडिसिन के जो वीडियोस है ये आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज दिस कैन सर्व सो मेनी पर्पसेस. जस्ट इमेजिन दैट obviously pathology is not going to be the end of my career, after which I may appear for NEET SS. If I appear for NEET SS, I will need this medicine ka base, which has to be strong, on which I can kind of build up for the NEET SS ka syllabus, in which the entire medicine has to be studied thoroughly, in which you have competition with the MD medicine wale students, right? And next is, if I am targeting to appear for NEET PG again, because of which I have discussed this previous in my video that I may appear for NEET PG again for a second branch. तो अगर ऐसा है then इसमें भी मुझे this videos will be so important to get the concepts right. or I mean any kind of course or any kind of studies or any kind of future plan in that matter would consider knowing the basics, the clinics, this part of this syllabus very very thoroughly. तो इसीलिए अभी मैं टारगेट कर रही हूँ कि मैं नीट पीजी का कुछ सिलेबस फिनिश कर लूँ, बिकॉज आई एम मोर इंक्लाइंड फॉर गिविंग दैट एग्जाम एंड आई विल डिस्कस्ड ऑल दिस थिंग इन माई प्रीवियस वीडियो. So this integrated study sessions that I've implemented is literally kind of getting important day by day. At the same time, it's also kind of taking a lot of time away from my pathology sessions which I do for core pathology syllabus. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि आई एम ट्राइंग टू रीड द मेडिसिन पार्ट. एट द सेम टाइम आई विल ऑल्सो रीड दिस पर्टिकुलर एरिया फ्रॉम द पैथोलॉजी, द ट्यूमर्स एंड वॉट एवर एसोसिएटेड टॉपिक्स आर देयर. तो काफ़ी कुछ सेशंस जो है वो इम्पॉर्टेंट भी हो जाती है पैथोलॉजी के पर्सपेक्टिव से, और काफ़ी सेशंस जो है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ नीट पीजी या नीट एसएस ओरिएंटेड ही होता है मेरा. तो so I was basically doing the chapter of hepatology over here, which was a huge chapter, and even if I watch at 2x, I know that this is not going to get over, but my target is to finish it as much as possible, even if I am leaving out on a few modules. So as you can see that I have almost completed so many of the videos. 11 modules तो मेरी हो चुकी है, which is from the chapter of hepatology, and I'm almost done with a lot of modules as you can see here. The ascites वाला part, metabolic diseases, autoimmune वाला diseases and everything I have completed. Only I'm left with a few hepatitis वाला modules. It's 2 AM now. So it is 2 AM now and I still have 5 more lectures to watch to finish this chapter. And I was also thinking to do the chapter of liver from the surgery, लेकिन शायद नहीं हो पाएगा आज because it's already 2 AM and I still have 5 lectures to watch. So I at least want to finish one sector, and so actually I'm watching the lectures at a faster speed, at least at 2x or 1.8x, and sometimes I'm switching the speed because like it's not possible to always watch at a faster speed. So when I've decided to study integratedly and also kind of getting into the hang of preparing for future exams, then I'm cutting short of a lot of time to dedicate to this, and that is why I have to watch. Like I don't have any other option. I have to watch at a faster speed, and let me see how much I can cover. I'm trying to cover it system wise ताकि कुछ मेरे को idea हो जाए पूरा. So I'm already very sleepy because I even had a hectic day at college. That's why I'm feeling very sleepy. I actually didn't take any break in between. It is just a long 5 hours. I didn't take any break. I think when I watch lectures, I don't feel to take a break because I love the flow of listening to lectures. I'm already too sleepy, but then I have to pull I think another 2 hours at least 1.5 to 2 hours जब तक ये chapter नहीं finish हो जाता है. I just took 5 minutes break in between to prepare some Glucon-D for myself. Got this Glucon-D and I also got some chips. Probably I'll be having the chips and the Glucon-D. I'll enjoy my food while listening to lectures. तो ऐसे करके देखती हूँ अगर एनर्जी मिलता है ग्लूकॉन-डी से, so probably I can even push to complete the surgery module so that the entire chapter of liver is completed. Let's see. So I'll just have food and I'll keep watching the lectures because I can't afford to take breaks क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत नींद आ रहा है. अगर मैं ब्रेक लूँगी तो मैं एकदम से सो जाऊँगी. तो I just at least want to sleep within 4 AM because tomorrow I have to get up at 7:30. तो मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं होगा सोने के लिए ज़्यादा. तो at least I will try to finish within 4 and let's see how much I can do it. So let's get started with the second session. तो अब जब भी मेरे को चिप्स खाने देखोगे यू विल सी आई एम ओनली हैविंग दिस चिप्स. दिस इज़ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट चिप्स विच इज़ दी पेपी वाला टोमेटो वाला चिप्स. तो these kind of long sessions is difficult for me. I mean, as you can see that I've started studying from 9 PM and it's going up to 4 AM, which means it is almost equal to 7 hours. And this long sessions continuously is kind of very difficult on my part. मैं 3 hours के बाद my concentration dips and my energy also dips. तो break में अगर मैं पढ़ाई करती हूँ तो ज़्यादा मेरे लिए अच्छा रहता है, easy रहता है, but क्या ही कर सकते हैं. every day is not the same. So as you can see, it is 4 a.m. now and I am literally very very tired. थोड़ा बहुत ही बचा है, एंड का पोर्शन मैंने वो भी ख़त्म कर दिया एंड यू कैन सी दैट आई एम नॉट एबल टू पुल अप मोर. तो मेरी सारी ऑलमोस्ट जो कि मॉड्यूल्स है हेपेटोलॉजी का, मैंने 16 मॉड्यूल्स फिनिश कर लिया है. So I'm done with the hepatology chapter from medicine and it's 4 already, it's 4:15 now. So I don't think I'll be able to pull it up today for the surgery part. तो मैंने आज मैं सर्जरी नहीं करने वाली हूँ because my productivity is also decreasing and my concentration is also dipping and I'm not able to take it. तो मैं भी सोने जा रही हूँ. तो आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई कुड एटलीस्ट फिनिश वन पार्ट ऑफ इट. दैट वाज माय मेन टारगेट टुडे. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आई एम गोइंग टू एंड दिस व्लॉग हियर ओनली. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I will meet you very soon in my next video. I'm so full of sleep now that I'm not even able to kind of speak with the energy and the flow that I usually do with. Anyway, if you like my video, then please consider subscribing to my channel because your support means a lot to me. So good night, take care and thank you for watching.